Tommy, I just got a call from your teacher. You failed your science test? You're grounded for a month. Get up to your room. No TV, no iPad, no computer. Are you kidding me? A whole month? That's not fair. You know what's not fair? Me having a stupid kid. Get up to your room. Fine, whatever. Michael, are you kidding me? Is this your cup? You couldn't clean up after yourself and put it in the dishwasher when you were done? That's it. I'm calling the police. You're going to jail. What? Mom, I wasn't even done drinking it, though. I don't want to hear any excuses. Hello, is this the police? I need you at my house right away.